really nice performances. Just like last year, I think there have been some really nice performances this year as well. मैं actually थोड़ा disappointed हूँ कि all my films released in the same year, whether it was ये जवानी है दीवानी, Chennai Express, Ram Leela, I actually wish that they were all sort of spaced out, and I gave the audience a little more breathing time. But yeah, it's been a special year. It's been great, not just box office wise, but even in terms of the appreciation that I got in these films. And but you can't take awards for granted. Yes, we all like to be rewarded for our work and like to be appreciated, but until the award is in your hand, you never know. So I think there's a lot. I think Nimrit was fantastic in the Lunchbox. I think Sonakshi was very good in Lutera. For me, these are the two performances that I really liked this year. I think Sonam was really good in Ranjana. No, yeah, I think if anything, it's given me. I feel liberated. I think हमको कभी डर के काम नहीं करना चाहिए. जो भी मैं कर रही हूँ इतने सालों से मैं दिल से करती हूँ. And कामयाबी के साथ I think एक you feel a kind of freedom. You feel कि अच्छा आगे जाके मैं कुछ और भी कर सकती हूँ, कुछ अलग कर सकती हूँ. लोग मेरा काम अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं. जैसे मेरी अगली फिल्म जो है बहुत ही अलग है. शायद कोई एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करेगा, बट इट्स अ शॉर्ट फिल्म, इंग्लिश पिक्चर है. तो लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि ये कमर्शियल हीरोइन एक छोटी सी इंग्लिश पिक्चर में क्या कर रही है. बट आई थिंक आई थिंक मैं ज़्यादा सोचती नहीं. मैं बहुत दिल से काम करती हूँ. मैं बस होमी के साथ काम करना चाहती थी, और दैट वाज गोइंग टू बी हिज नेक्स्ट फिल्म. एंड आई न्यू दैट 1 month in Goa I was going to have a great time. So I don't think too much about my work. Even the films that I did last year in 2013, I didn't think about them. Neither did I know when they were going to release. I just went there, worked every single day, worked very hard. And when these films release are really beyond your control, or the fate of those films for that matter. मैं खुद अपने आप को नहीं मानती. ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है जब लोग कहते हैं. And I think that's the best kind of validation that you can get जब when people tell you that. अच्छा तो ज़रूर लगता है. But I hope that it's more about the work and not necessarily about the numbers that the films are doing. मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि box office, I think collections is not something that I value as much as films that have repeat value. I think last time भी मैंने यही कहा था. For me, the sign of a successful film is a film that has repeat value 10 साल बाद, 20 साल बाद, like how we refer to Kabhi Kabhi, we refer to Sholay, we refer to Mughal-e-Azam. For me, those are iconic films, and I hope that the films that I've been a part of end up becoming like that. For me, films are a very extremely creative process, and it's I think, and the same thing applies to, I think, the fact that we now associate a successful film with the kind of money that it makes. Similarly, I think it removes, I think when you start discussing remuneration and the monetary aspect of an actor when it comes to a film, it just removes the excitement of doing a film. I don't do films for the money.
You've been saying that.
I've always said that. And our industry is very small. Everybody knows everyone. Every producer knows who's paying who how much. And I've always believed that everyone gets paid what they deserve. And I've never liked to talk about money because I really, like I said earlier, I think I work straight from the heart. I don't overanalyze. I don't overthink about anything.
And nominations galore this year. Filmfare is coming up. Nominated for Best Actress, Chennai Express and Ram Leela.
Yeah,
गलत
but I-
magazines के नाम यहाँ ले रहे हो आप.
How do you feel?
I'm happy. I'm very happy. Yesterday I won the Popular Award for all the 4 films put together. The specific award that you're talking about, I'm upset that I'm not nominated for Ye Jawani Hai Deewani. We've been very lucky, I think, even in terms of the scripts that we got. It took us 6 whole years for Chennai Express to happen after Om Shanti Om. So I think it's also the scripts and the kind of characters that we get in a film that we do together that also enhances our on-screen chemistry. And yeah, I hope that Happy New Year is as special as Om Shanti Om and Chennai Express. Right now, I'm working on Happy New Year. I've finished shooting for Finding Fanny, which will release in July. After that, Happy New Year will release. And I start shooting for Imtiaz's film in June. Right now, other than this, there's nothing else that I've seen. No. I think सबसे पहले I think जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जो लोग कहते हैं जो हुआ है मेरे साथ वो हुमी के साथ ही हुआ था कॉकटेल में. तो ऑब्वियसली मैं उनके साथ फिर से काम करना चाहती थी. स्क्रिप्ट भी बहुत ही अच्छा था, बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग था मेरे लिए. एंड जस्ट द फैक्ट कि आई वाज गेटिंग टू डू एन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज फिल्म. एज एन एक्टर यू स्टार्ट हैव टू थिंक स्लाइटली डिफरेंटली व्हेन यू आर परफॉर्मिंग इन इंग्लिश. एंड कि मुझे नसीर साहब, पंकज कपूर साहब, डिम्पल कपाड़िया के साथ काम करने का मौका मिल रहा था. कि हम सब गोवा में 1 महीने के लिए हम शूटिंग करने जा रहे थे. तो ये सब आई थिंक दीज आर ऑल द रीजंस फॉर मी वांटिंग टू डू फाइंडिंग फैनी. I've been reading, but I don't think it's right for me to comment on something that I'm not fully aware about, or when I don't know both sides of the story. So.
Okay. दीपिका, नहीं, जाना उसको. अच्छा, happy.
आपने जैसे कहा कि हाँ मैंने जो अपना इंटरव्यू दिया है कि there's nothing serious between me and रणबीर. So it means you are single.
Yes.
सर अभी आपका क्या है आपने?
आप खुश हैं ना? आप खुश हो गए ना?
दीपिका, जाने से पहले you have to teach us one dance step sitting. Happy music बजाओ. दीपिका singing and music. One dance step. Teach us. Can I come there? आ जाओ. One dance step. Come.